The financial week. Up first, Sygnus Real Estate Finance has reported improved financial performance for the first quarter of 2026. For the 3 months ended November 30, 2025, the company recorded total investment income of negative 23.19 million Jamaican dollars, a significant improvement compared to the negative 125.65 million Jamaican dollars for the same period last year. The improvement was largely driven by reduced negative net interest income and higher lease and other income.
It was negative 23.19 million, and this compares very favorably with negative 125.65 million for the similar period last year. Net investment income also showed an improvement from which with an outturn of negative 150.2 million versus negative 226.96 million for the same period last year.
Meanwhile, earnings per share also saw an improvement, moving from negative 0.53 Jamaican dollars to 0.72 Jamaican dollars for the similar period last year.
And finally, which is a very important metric to watch, book value per share is now at 26.01 Jamaican dollars, up 8.7% versus $23.93 for the same period last year.
Looking ahead, the company's key strategic initiatives for the 2026 financial year include the start of the construction phase of Lake Spen in the second quarter, preparations for the third tenant occupancy at 1 Belmont, and continued value creation at the Sygnus Real Estate Finance Miami Bay developments. On the stock market, the JSE index declined by 2,664 points, while the June market index will advance by 4 points. The winners include Consolidated Bakeries, Edufocal Limited, Knoxford Express Services, Express Catering, and Proven Group Limited US dollar shares. The losers includes Productive Business Solution US dollar ordinary shares, West Indies Petroleum Terminal, Salada Foods Jamaica, Jamaican Teas, and One Great Studio Company, 19 stocks traded firm. In foreign exchange, trading ended with banks and cambios selling the US dollar for an average $158.30. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $114.30. The pound is going for $211.58, while the euro is selling for an average $184.08. And that was the financial week. When we come back, news from overseas.